Hello and welcome to Advitiya. As part of Advitiya, today we are going to conduct a coding competition. So more details about coding competition will be explained by our organization Suresh. So hello Suresh.
Yeah.
So can we know more details about our Advitiya coding competition?
Yeah, sure, Mahesh. And this is an codathon event in my college event. So that is the codathon event is in my college, ADVITIYA 2K23. And there are 3 rounds. And first round is a 15 MCQs with 15 minutes duration. And the second round is a one basic question with 15 minutes duration. And the third round is a one medium, one hard. There is 2 questions. And the time duration of the 2 medium and hard questions is 50 minutes. So around overall this duration is 1 hour 20 minutes. So in this we are observing that how the capability of the people that they can thinking and the problem solving, understanding the problems, and how they overcome that and develop their skills.
Yeah. Can you explain? So how many registrations you have got?
Yeah, I got most of the registrations as of now around 464, and other than colleges also coming through it, but we are stopped the registrations as event date is that is the last date of event.
So as we have more number of registrations, around 464, right?
Yeah.
So how are you going to manage all these registrations with our like limited resources?
Yeah, in these limited resources, we are conducting them as in different styles. That is in one that is there are 4 years. First year, second year, third year, and fourth year. We can sort it out, and after that we can allot the systems. And in this also there is an issue, like a person, first year person is a problem thinking is a that is a different level, and also fourth year, third year they are also different level. So we are in this way we are conducting as a first year is a basics questions. After that in this second year and third year there is increasing, they can improve their knowledge, and that's like we can improve the questions, that understanding, thinking, like that.
So you are saying based on years, like first year, second year, third year, fourth year, based on the years you are sorted the questions and coding questions, right? Yeah, right. So that's it. Anything else that you wanted to mention?
Okay. And I am also expecting that more number of the people are learning from this coding event, and they know how the inputs taken. This is the main important thing that is in this also, in companies drives also, they don't know how to take the inputs and outputs from the coding questions. So like that we are organizing them to teach, to learn them, to understanding how the questions are solving. Like, okay. Yeah, thank you, Mahesh.
So how is the response from the first years? So because first years just now entered very recently, right? So how is the response from them?
Yeah, they are happy as now, like there is they understanding like same that we can take it as answers that questions, and they are very happy as of now. And we are taking also the feedback from the students who are participated. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, any challenges that you are facing through this competition?
No, there is no challenge, and there is no challenge actually. If they are not understanding the questions, we can explain how overcome this.
For the first years, right?
Yeah,
so if they are not understanding well enough about the question, so you are going to explain little bit about the question, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. So thank you, Suresh, for giving your feedback and response about the coding competition. So in this busy schedule, as the coding competition is going on, so now we will go ahead and take the responses from the registrations. Thank you. Now let us take the responses from the participants. So how do you feel about the competition?
Competition was quite good. It has many more tricky questions. Actually, I feel it's a basic for future competitions. So I think it's a very good opportunity to participate.
How about your questions? Is it easy, medium, hard?
So it's last question was very tricky, and remaining all it was easy.
Yeah. Overall, how do you feel about the competition? Advitiya competition.
Competition was good, and who are conducting this contest are very good responses. They gave very good responses to us. So I feel no problem actually.
Thank you for the good response. Thank you. Now let us take one more response from the participants. Hello, and how do you feel about the competition?
Competition was pretty decent and very nice. The organization was very nice. Questions were also very easy to attend, and it was very nice experience today.
Which year you? Which year you?
I'm from first year CSE Data Science BTech.
Yeah, from some of the first year students are saying questions are difficult to understand. What do you say about that?
No, questions were not too much difficult. They were average and easy to understand. There were hint also given in the questions also.
Hint also given, right? So, have you faced any difficulty while solving the problem?
No difficulty. Coding was easy and it was pretty decent.
Okay, thank you. As a whole, how do you say about the competition?
Competition are very nice. It is a nice motivation for the students to enhance their skills in coding. So it was very nice to attend this program.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for the response. Let us take the response and experience from the participants. Hello.
And
How are you? What is your experience about coding competition?
it was a good experience, and it's nice to participate in this event. And there are about 3 rounds, and first round is it quiz, but I thought it was easy, but it's a bit difficult because I haven't prepared for it. But the coding questions are a bit easier because I have prepared for it, and they are easy.
Where you feel the difficulty?
At quiz, because of lack of preparation, I felt difficult.
Okay, fine. So, any other challenges that you face during the competition?
No, so,
No challenges. Okay, fine. So, as a whole, what is your experience and in single line, what do you say about the competition?
it was good. It was good and nice.
That's a single answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the response. In the morning, we have covered some of the coding competition slots. Now we have some more slots that are designed for afternoon session. So afternoon session will be carrying by the Surendra, and he is also one of the chief organizer. And we will know more about afternoon slot about coding competition by Surendra. So anything that you wanted to share about coding competition, Surendra?
There are a lot of students are participating in our Codathon context. So we have to decide to divide the sessions into morning session and evening session. Most of the students are participating in the afternoon session. We are conducting the contest morning for first year and third year, fourth years, and the afternoon session we are conducting for second years. Morning we have faced some problems that are fetching the results of their students. Now we will overcome those problems in the afternoon sessions. Thank you for participating our Codathon.
Before that, any challenges that you are facing in the competition as with the participants?
No, everything is fine.
Everything is fine. Okay. So apart from the organizers, there are, to handle these many number of participants, we have many number of volunteers that are handling to make this coding competition smoother. Let us go ahead and take some of the responses and experience from the volunteers. So we have one more volunteer with us. So let us take the feedback and response about the coding competition.
What type of feedback do you want? Like, is it from students or?
How is your experience in this slot with the participants?
Like experience in the sense, we used to teach a lot of to first year students. And coming to final year and second year students, they are well versed with Python. So our experience is good for that. So we learned a lot of things in coding, how to mentor and leadership. That is my experience.
Any challenges that you are facing as a volunteer?
Challenges in the sense, they're not challenges actually. Actually, a lot of first year students are habituated to Turbo C. So they actually did printf functions without looking into the test case functions. Okay, I say that might be the difficulty, not the challenges faced with first years. And coming to second year and final years, they're mostly using Python inbuilt functions. That might not be the issue, but they should also improve their logic building. That was the challenges, I think so.
Okay, thank you. We have two more venues for our coding competition. One is CSE Lab 1 and 2 and CSE Computer Lab 3. Let us go to one more room and see the situation and take the responses from the volunteers. So, hello.
Hello.
So you are working as a volunteer here, right? So any challenge? How is your experience as a volunteer here?
Experience was good. Huge number of students came here. Around 450 members came here, and with the support of all the volunteers and seniors, we were able to conduct the event very well.
Any challenges that you are facing as a volunteer?
No challenges were faced. All the technical issues, no technical issues were there in this event, and we were able to conduct this event very smoothly.
Is there any challenges that participants are facing, and how are you going to solve the challenges?
Means some students were facing a problem in understanding the problem. We were able to explain the problem to them, and they were able to solve the answers.
Okay, thank you. So we will take responses from the another participants. Hello.
Hi.
So how is your experience in this competition?
This is very good competition. We want these type of competitions more because these competitions from these questions are very challenging, and so that it will be more helpful to the students to solve some more problems like this. We will gain some knowledge on these problems, like real-time problems. So it is more helpful.
Have you attempted all the questions?
Yes, I attempted all the questions. And
So how is the difficulty level?
it is medium. We want some more challenging questions, so we will gain some more knowledge.
So you want some more challenging questions? Okay, fine. So thank you. Computer Lab 3. So in this lab 3 also we are conducting the coding competition, and let us take the responses from the volunteers. Hello.
Hello.
How is the experience as a coding competition as a volunteer for you?
Actually, this is my first వాలంటీరింగ్ అనమాట. ఇది నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం వాలంటీర్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో వాళ్ళ క్వశ్చన్స్ డౌట్స్ అలా ఏమైనా ఉంటే అడుగుతున్నారు. ఇట్స్ న్యూ, ఇట్స్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్.
Any challenges you are facing as a volunteer?
ఛాలెంజెస్ ఇట్ మీన్స్ వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడుగుతున్నారు. సో కొంతమందికి దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం కోడింగ్ అనుకుంటా, వాళ్ళు ఇంకా క్లియర్గా లేరు. సో దాంట్లో హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నా.
Okay, thank you.